This year, make your Holi extra colorful with this Thandai cake. It is a fusion cake, and I'm going to teach you in this video how to make this Thandai cake in a very simple way. Welcome to our channel Plants, Crochet Cooking and more. So without wasting any further time, let's get on with the recipe. First and foremost, we are going to make the Thandai mixture. It is made with these dry nuts. Exact quantities and whatever ingredients I have taken for this recipe will be given at the end of the video. You must be knowing this by now. The first thing that I will do is I'm going to roast the almonds, pistachios and the cashews. That is all. I've kept the ghee bottle near this gas so that it melts because I need the liquid ghee and not the solid one. So as I said, I'm going to roast these nuts first, lightly roast it, and then I'm going to cool and make a powder out of it. While this is set to cool, I'm going to grease a 7 inches pan and line it with parchment paper. It has cooled. Now I'm going to grind these nuts. The 3 nuts, pistachios, almonds and the cashews. Along with it, I'll be adding the other ingredients. Let me tell you about it. This is the sauf, that is the fennel seeds, and then this is the cardamom. I'm going to break the pod. I've taken 3 cardamoms. You can take 2. Now the other things that I've taken here are the peppercorns, the melon seed, pumpkin seed and some dried rose petals, and in the end I've added saffron strands as well. This is all that is required. I'm going to reserve a little bit of the rose petal for the garnishing. I will also need the pistachio, almond and cashew as well for the garnishing, not too much of it. So here we go, we are going to grind it, and then this powder that we get is the Thandai powder. So let's keep this aside and then grind the sugar. As I've said earlier, the exact quantities, the measurements of all the ingredients will be given at the end of the video, so you not worry about it. So this powder is also ready. Now we'll start on with the second step. We are going to sift maida, baking powder and baking soda. Next, we are going to take milk powder, a little less than half a cup. Add this milk powder to the sifted ingredients. Go on to add the powdered sugar as well as the thandai powder and mix it very well so that everything incorporates well. Don't forget to add a pinch of salt. When everything is well incorporated, you're going to add the wet ingredients. This is the ghee and I have mixed it in milk. The milk was slightly warm, so I kept it aside to cool. In the meantime, I've just chopped the nuts. I'm going to use these for the garnishing part. Please make sure that the milk is not cold. So this is also ready for the garnishing. So let's start on with the next part. Stir the milk and ghee once again, and then the next part will be to add this. Continuously stir it with the other hand to avoid the formation of any lumps. It's better that you use your whisk first and then later end it with the spatula. But if you are comfortable with just the spatula, you're free to use that. Remember not to overdo it, else it is going to turn out to be a hard, tight cake. The batter is ready. Now in it goes into the greased pan. Here I have used 7 inches pan. I've already preheated the oven at 170 degrees Celsius. Before this pan goes into the oven, you garnish it with the nuts and the rose petals. Here this part is completely over. Now this will go into the oven. Check to see if your cake is done after 45 minutes because it varies from oven to oven. Once it is done, you take it out and keep it on a cooling rack till it is completely cooled. Check and see once again. It is completely clean. Perfect. Now all that you need to do is slice the cake into small pieces and serve. This is the ideal cake for the Holi this time. It is a tea cake. You can enjoy it with your tea in the evening. I hope you will try this recipe out and let us know whether it turned out well for you, whether you like the taste of it. Do write to us in the comment section about it. If you like the video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and share it with your friends and relatives, and of course subscribe to our channel for more such recipes. Here's wishing you a very happy and colorful Holi from all of us here. Hope to meet you soon in our next video, which will be coming up very soon. So till then, enjoy your Holi.